Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is use the USB cable and connect our Samsung to a computer, to PC or a laptop. So once we do that, we need to power off our device. So let's go to the power menu and then power off. Once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time until you see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, you can release the buttons, and then we need to wait a couple of seconds. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. In order to exit the recovery mode, what we need to do is simply choose Reboot System Now, and we need to confirm it by pressing the power or side button. Now, in order to navigate through the recovery mode, then we need to use the volume up and volume down buttons. And like I said, confirm the action by pressing the power button. So if you want to exit, choose Reboot System Now and press the power button. After that, your device should restart and you should go back to the normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.